Welcome to Healthy Playground. This is a question from Shane. Shane from Healthy Playground.
That's you.
That's me. I crack my knuckles. Is it a bad thing for me?
Well,
I do it because I feel good.
Do you feel anxious? Is that why you do it?
No, I just feel like every now and then I need to push my knuckles together or maybe crack my neck.
And release it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you crack a joint, it actually creates, it breaks the vacuum inside the joint. And you do have...
The Hoover.
you break the vacuum.
Yeah.
And it basically causes a pop of
Yes.
that,
Yep.
of the small amount of gas that you have in each joint. So it's not bad for you if you do it a reasonable number of times in a day.
Right.
But I guess if you started getting pain in those joints, that's when I'd start to worry.
Okay.
So look, just releasing a bit of tension and pressure, we're okay with that.
Yes.
But
I enjoy that.
Causing pain in your knuckles or your
Not a
neck,
good thing.
that would not be
Yes.
good.
Okay.
There is hypermobility disorders. People have connective tissues which are too long and allows them to stretch their joints in ways that are unnatural, and actually they can get quite a lot of joint damage. But if you're just doing a little bit of popping and cracking, I'm going to allow that.
Okay.
I'll give you a pass.
Thank you, Dr. Mitch.
Oh, thanks for the question, Mr. Shane.